Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From uno ear device, uno know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, in the morning here, I have piece of news for drop on uno and a attack claps too. But before me get into the attack claps, me go kick it off like this. An inmate killed at Chapelton lockup. Police commissioner orders probe. So the police are now probing the circumstances that led to the death of a male inmate at the Chapelton lockup in Clarendon early Monday morning. Reports are that about 3:15 a.m. police on duty heard unusual sounds coming from one of the cells and made checks. My wisdom warriors, Lord Jesus, I don't see all them something here now. I don't see. Well, I didn't get enough information on this about who exactly did the KILLING. As far as me know, them say one of the inmates, but we're not really sure what is going on. So my wisdom warriors, me go keep on update when I get more information. Anyway, hear this. Falmouth Mayor Colin Geiger urges citizens to ensure that they adequately prepare for natural disasters. With the country now in the hurricane season, Chairman of the Trelawney Municipal Corporation and Mayor of Falmouth, Colin Geiger, is urging citizens to ensure that they adequately prepare for natural disasters. This as he notes that adequate preparation could save lives. Mayor Geiger says while citizens cannot stop natural disasters, they can arm themselves with knowledge. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, well, I hope the Prime Minister is preparing for the Jamaican people. So after disaster strike, then everything would go the right way. Because remember, so this a government never prepare, The only thing he prepare for money. When it come to money, taxpayer money, that is the only thing him prepare. But when it come to the Jamaican people, there is never no preparation. You remember in the pandemic? All right. That is a perfect example. Perfect example. So everybody is coming out, including Andrew Wellness. He came out and he might tell everybody to get prepared and one bag of something. I hope he is prepared. I hope he is prepared for the Jamaican people. Because as I said, this man, only money alone in prepare for. He not prepare for the Jamaican people them. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, I want to know. All right, remember, so me talk about this like about a month ago. Me tell you already. You understand? So the way it look like things are going to go on. You understand? During this hurricane season, I do not know. But it no look good. From you hear them come out at 1, something is around the corner. So I want all my wisdom warriors that is on the ground, on prepare on self. Because I don't want nothing to do, No, man. I don't want nothing to do, I want to share this video. Share and send around this video so everybody can know what is going on. Because I know enough people not even have that on their brain right now. So at least this is an encouragement. You understand? So everybody can prepare themselves. Well, my wisdom warriors. I have the attack claps to drop on Uno. I have this attack claps to drop on Uno. Uno, look on the screen good. Who that there? Delroy Chuck. Delroy Chuck is out here protecting the rapists them. This is why so many of our women are missing. And this is why so many of our women are dying, my wisdom warriors. Because of this very man, Delroy Chuck. Yes. Uno probably wonder why Atafa the Press said that. He is the justice minister. He is the one that is protecting the rapist. Remember, if the sex offender registry, release, then everybody will recognize them face. You understand what I mean? And recognize, you know what? Yeah, them is a sex offender. So them we know if they stay far or not. Tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right, my wisdom warriors. Want to storm up the comment section for me there. Me I tell you no. When I do my research, my wisdom warriors, you guys are going to be shocked to hear Delroy Chuck taking this. And then after, we are going to elaborate on it. Hear Delroy Chuck.
If a person having been convicted of a sexual offense and has been given a fixed term and has served it and is now back in the community, would it not be a second sentence if the public at large could be saying that's a sex offender?
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear what Delroy Chuck say? Wanna hear what Delroy Chuck just say? If somebody rape people, touch up people, girl pitney and boy pitney inappropriately, and go to prison and do them 6 term or then 10 term or whatsoever and release, Delroy Chuck say that is a second punishment, so we can't make the public know. They can't imagine. So is this man for Jamaica? This is the question we want to ask on my Jamaican people. This is not about no JLP, no PNP, Me telling you, this is about our Jamaican people, Is this justice minister we cock up in a house of parliament? One thinks that this man like Jamaica? Let me ask you that. One thinks that this man have Jamaican people at heart? No. Just, you know what? Anybody that just come, anybody that just join Hot Off of the Press, I want to take in Delroy Chuck. For hear how Delroy Chuck is protecting the rapists them quick for talk about who dead and fling up picture from who not dead. You understand? Them quick. But before them release the sex offender registry, Delroy Chuck choose not to. Delroy Chuck and Horace Changa, National Security Minister. Yeah? And Andrew Wellness. The whole of them agree to this, My wisdom warriors, the whole of them agree to this. Taking Delroy Chuck again.
If a person having been convicted of a sexual offense and has been given a fixed term and has served it and is now back in the community, would it not be a second sentence if the public at large could be saying that's a sex offender?
My wisdom warriors, my viewers and subscribers, on hear what Delroy Chuck say. So when you hear me come out here and beat and teach Delroy Chuck and have his name all over social media, I don't want nobody to come underneath it and say nothing to me. Anybody that defend Delroy Chuck, they have the same mentality and the same nasty and dirty mind like Delroy Chuck. Listen, from a boy go rape, him name upon the registry list, it need to be released publicly. You know why? Because we are protecting the public. Not because he ain't gonna go do 6 term and 10 term, Delroy Chuck. That means say in change. That no means say in change, brother. That no means say in change. You only lock him up to keep off the pressure off of the Jamaican people. So once you let him back out, he will go do it again. What the hell? My wisdom warriors, may I tell you, this pain my heart. This really pain my heart. This really pain my heart to hear Delroy Chuck. To hear what Delroy Chuck is saying. If a sex offender do a 6 term, isn't it a punishment to release their name? Hey, blouse and skirt. Jamaica, we in a trouble, me keep telling Uno, but now listen to me. We in a trouble. They are not protecting the public. They are not protecting the people of Jamaica. Me want to know if you open up on an eye. This a man, that's why who remember other day when me come out and say, you take a good look on this man. You remember when they talk about how Marky G, a white man, and if you go back and yard and me say to you, say, me they give you no little clues. Me say no look on this man. Tell me which part of Delroy Chuck love Jamaican people. This is a perfect example. Perfect example, my wisdom warrior. It even came out in the paper. So let me read what the paper said. Hear this. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck is suggesting that making the sex offender registry available to the general public would represent a form of over-punishment. Over-punishment. Jamaica is the only country that is protecting sex offenders. Jamaica is the only country that is protecting sex offenders. This is why so many of our own is dying. This is why, my wisdom warrior, because of this man, Delroy Chuck. Because of Delroy Chuck, this is happening because when a boy go rape, and if him decide to put out the name or the public know the name of the raper boy, yeah, he feels like it is an over punishment. When them a rape people girl pitney and a rape little pitney, uno never think say that is over punishment. Hey, you know, so right now, I'm upsetting my wisdom warriors. Me tell you the God Almighty truth, you know. And them are people that lead we, you know. And you have some little dirty labor. Hey, you see, if you ever come over here, sir. You see, if you ever come over here, sir, and come say, me I got done enough for free. Let me tell you now. And you have some people out there defend Delroy Chuck, you know. Defending Andrew Holness, you know. Remember, you know, Delroy Chuck is underneath Andrew Holness administration, you know. And this is what they're doing, you know. Protecting all sex offenders. That is what they're doing. And it is wrong. You cannot say you love the people of Jamaica and not protecting us. We need protection. So, my wisdom warriors, you know, just imagine underneath Andrew Holness administration, Andrew turn Jamaica in a republic. And remember say them already are protect the sex offenders. Remember, you know, my wisdom warriors, them already are protect the sex offenders. So what else are they protecting? You understand? We have to look. And then on top of that, let me have some questions to ask the Jamaica Labour Party. Yes, Delroy Chuck, me have a question to ask you. Is it true that the reason why you don't want to release, is it true that the reason why you do not want to release the sex offender registry is because people in your party come underneath that the list there? Hey, my wisdom warriors, pop Tory give me. My wisdom warriors, when I hear them something in the morning, yeah? My wisdom warriors, what a thing pan we. What a thing pan we in the morning, yeah? What a thing pan we. Delroy Chuck, is it true that the reason, I'm asking a question, yes or no, is it true the reason why you do not want to release the sex offender registrar is because people in your cabinet, they're on the list? Is it true? I do not know. In my wisdom warriors, me just ask a question. I'm only asking. Delroy Chuck, you need to come and explain to the Jamaican people. You need to come and explain to the Jamaican people why you feel like you want to come talk about punishment. My wisdom warriors, why would Delroy Chuck, if you really look into it, it is alleged, let me use this, there's allegations going around and it is alleged that there's a lot of sex offender in the Jamaican Labour Party. And on me say so, it is alleged. It is alleged. Let me make that clear. Because I don't want to come for me over here, so. Because I don't have time for you. It is alleged, my wisdom warriors, that them have sex offenders in a FIDEM cabinet. This is why, and this is the reason why they are not releasing the registry list. So me here, my wisdom warriors. So me here. You can go Google their name, you know. You can go Google their name. Me sure about one. Because me have that. Me see it in the paper. And him never get. Him should have in a prison. Me tell you know about the young Jamaica, the president. Me tell you know about the young Jamaica, the Arden High School teacher that get fired from Arden High School because him like a pitney. Okay. My wisdom warriors, he is the president of Young Jamaica. You see how they always come out and jump up on the PNP? And them the people they Andrew Holness have a reflect on them. Yes, them the type of people they. So you see where me I come from now, my wisdom warriors. So these people don't care about the Jamaican people. These people do not care about the Jamaican people. So I do not know why you have people where claims of them die-hearted, I don't know. But I don't know why them are defend Andrew Holness administration when they see and know that Andrew Holness is not doing good. He is not doing good. He is really not doing good. And they are not protecting the people. Every day, una see say young girl them a go missing. Una see say little pitney a go missing. And una have sex offender registrar list. Private. Una need to make that be public. So everybody is aware. Is aware of the pedophile them. It's aware of the raper boy them. We have all right to know. Delroy Chuck. So when you come out and talk about over punishment, I don't believe that crap. I don't believe that crap, Delroy Chuck. I do not believe. I think it's more to it. I believe it's more to it, my wisdom warrior. Because it is alleged that is what me not really have to say alleged, you know, because it is in the paper. Some of them name call upon the sex offender business then at the Jamaica Labour Party. Yeah. So, you know what, my Jamaican? Me say, you know what? Me just want uno to see what go on, and that's why me a show up Delroy Chuck. Because Delroy Chuck always a go on like him a Mr. Good Up. He always come out and go on like him a Mr. Good Up. Just like when he come out and a clearing name say he's not one of the 6. Because a clearing name, you know. Yeah? So I'm going like him a good man. But he's not no good man. From you protect raper boy. You're not good somebody. Me not have no respect for your brother. You cannot protect raper boy. You can't see how much people are dead, how much girl and little pitney, big woman, everybody are go missing. And you decided that you were going to keep the sexual offender registry private? So you do not want Jamaican people to know? Really? You know what, my wisdom warriors? I would like for you to like and share this, you know, because everybody needs to hear this. Even if you don't want to cut out peace and send anything you don't want to do, but people need to hear Delroy Chuck. Me want to play Delroy Chuck. Me all go put this up on my other social media them. For hear Delroy Chuck. Hear what I say about protecting raper boy. All them something here. This is why so many of our girls are dying and missing, and the boys they're missing. This is why. And you know, Fix Bailey come out and he say, oh, the a man has been charged on one bag of something. And I'll know Fix Bailey don't call the name because he's protecting them. That need to stop. It need to stop. It need to stop, and it need to stop now. This is why I want them to come out of power, my wisdom warrior. Because they really do not have the Jamaican people best interest at heart. They don't. Sorry to say, but they don't. This alone show me. So they don't care about Jamaican people. But you can tell me what you think, and you can tell me how you feel, and put on honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this.
Michelle Charles, were you a dentist? If the answer to number 1 is yes, is it true that in order to be a dentist, you have to be a citizen of the country? I ask questions, you know. Because I love ask questions. And so me learn. If the answer to that is true, did you give up your citizenship to the US of A? If so, when did you give it up?
My wisdom warriors, me go do the research myself. She was a dentist in the USA, and she have to be a resident. She have to be a resident. You understand? Forget that. To be a dentist, you have to have your own practice and everything. You have to be a resident of the USA. So they can't trick nobody. Wanna hear me? They can't trick a soul, my wisdom warriors. And me do me check. Come in and see her name on the list, you know. Me no see her name on the list. But it is funny, you know, my wisdom warriors. Because in a 2022, she put up something and say how she renounced this and one bag of something, my wisdom warriors. Because enough of them lie, you know. Enough of them in the Jamaica Labour Party lie. You understand? Me no say she not do it, you know. But as far as I know, the information that I gathered, her name was not on the list. Denouncing her citizenship, me never see her name. You understand? So she have to come show we now. She too enough. She too bright and out of order. She need to come out now and come show we. Our Jamaican passport with our 10-year visa in there. We need to see what going on in our passport. She too bright and out of order. Look at this. So Dr. Mitchell Charles, she's St. Thomas Eastern. She's for St. Thomas Eastern constituency. She wrote on February the 5th, 2022, she wrote, giving up my U.S. citizenship and U.S. work permit to serve the people of Jamaica was a personal and professional choice that I made. And that she do. My wisdom warriors, yeah? This is what she put up. But as me say, you know the labor right them lie. Me not say she lie, you know, but we know how them come down. You understand? But from what I gathered, if she denounce it, if she do that, my wisdom warriors, yeah, how comes I near not upon the list? And she done it from 2022. Something not right. Michelle, you need to come. You need to come to the front of the class and release the documents. We want to see it. We want to see the documents because if you in the cabinet for 4 years, you're in the cabinet for darling. Yeah? You're working illegal. You're breaking the constitutional law. We know say no good pan that, you know. Because Andrew Holness do it. So true Andrew Holness do it, uno follow too. You understand? You always a follow on the masters. So if that is so, if you not denounce your citizenship, darling, you for their prison, you know. You hear what me say? Me say if. I said if, my wisdom warriors. Because as I said, I gather information and I didn't see her name on the list. Me see Daryl Valls. You understand? Me see Daryl Valls and her brother. So how comes me not say she? Rotted hole.
First question to Mr. Pernell Charles Jr., who said there is no room for split loyalty. Were you a U.S. citizen? Mr. Pernell Charles Jr., were you added to the Senate in March of 2016? Were you made a junior minister of government and then a full minister of government? If the answer is yes, we move to question 4. Is it so that you only renounced your U.S. citizenship in November of 2017, which means that you were in the parliament illegally for 1.5 years? If the answer to question 4 is yes, we want back with money.
My wisdom warriors, me want to read between the lines, you know, when Dayton Campbell talk. Some people, enough of them come over here, they don't have wisdom, so they can't see beyond the words that he's saying. You hear what him say? Him say, were you a citizen? Hear what him say, but remember, you know, hear what him say. When he was talking about the sister, Michelle Charles, he never say, were, you know. So we know so she not denounce for her own. But when he was talking about the brother now, him say, were you a citizenship? So we know say, for him one definitely denounce. You understand? We know that. And it has been, 1 year since he does that, something like that. So, for the other year, they were breaking the law. My wisdom warrior, this is why Dayton Campbell said we want back the money. Of course, we want it back. A taxpayer money, we have all right. We want to keep breaking the law. This is what Jamaica Labour Party do. You all out in there, I run off on the mouth and attack and spread propaganda, spreading lies for Marky G. Marky G is part of the Commonwealth. On top of that, he's a born Jamaican. Seriously, on a serious note, and uno come out dragging Marky G while uno have people in there working illegally. You know, so the whole uno fi come down now. The whole uno fi lift up from out of House of Parliament. Uno is a set of hypocrite. Uno a hypocrite man. Seriously. Uno sick my stomach. Me don't like dishonest people in my wisdom warriors. I don't like when people are dishonest. A lying lip is abomination unto the Lord. And the earth is the Lord, the fullness thereof. Seriously, man. Seriously. Everything Jamaican Labour Party do so negative. Everything they do. They are a destructive party. Them party is a destruction. Seriously. And then you have these radio mouthpiece and Holness. Now spread these things, you know. I know me not see them a talk about Michelle. For tell them a tech side, I'll know me not see them a talk about Michelle. We don't need for sure Michelle. We want to see our passport with the 10-year visa in there. My wisdom warriors, the article they now come out and say Michelle is under pressure. They like to come out, Mark Golding is under pressure. Mark Golding is under pressure from social media when nothing no go so. Now them come out and spread propaganda. Nikisha is under pressure. When Nikisha not under no pressure, I don't stop tell lie, man. I don't stop it. Michelle is under pressure. Michelle is under pressure. She needs to come show her passport with her 10-year in there. At that, on article for run with. One for run with, do not run with. I want to run with Delroy Chuck where I protect rapists. I want to run with that. Them the something they want to keep a secret. You see the whole I know, and then you come out and talk about you like Jamaica, you love Jamaica, and Jamaica is this and Jamaica is that. You to lie, you set a hypocrite, you not have no love in no heart for Jamaican people. My wisdom warriors, you tell me what you really think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. Remember to bless me up on my PayPal. Remember to follow me on TikTok and IG. The link for the PayPal, the link for the TikTok and IG, I'll go there in the comment section and always in the description. All right? So now just bless up on the nice clean self. One love.